In this tutorial, we will look at the features of MK product packaging. We print on unbleached paper and never use colours that are harmful to the environment. Every item of packaging features the original quality seal. We also ensure that every MK product is packaged and delivered in the optimal packaging size to reduce unnecessary waste and improve transportation. A lot of key information can be found on the outer packaging. On the top of each box is the product name and a brief description. More detailed information can be found on the product label, located on the rear side. The 6-digit code identifies each product within our portfolio. The codes are unique to distinguish each individual product from others in our range. You can also see the voltage, wattage, cable colour and LED colour. Next, a precise technical drawing is shown in the top right-hand corner of the product label. This illustrates the length per section and the spacing of each LED. For the example shown here, it's a 2.5 metre section. Beneath the technical drawing, you will find the maximum number of chains interconnectable. In this example, it's 66, meaning no more than 66 2.5 metre sections can be connected in a single run. Lastly, you will notice a number of safety certificates, including the CE marking, Protection Class, in this case Protection Class 2, double insulated, and the IP rating. As of 2017, all MK outdoor and low voltage products are IP67 rated. MK Illumination, enlightening your vision.